Welcome back to Math 155, section 8.3, describing and analyzing data. Now, this lecture video, I'm going to show you something called the Box Whisker Plot. Okay, so before we do this plot, okay, this thing called quartiles. Quartile is actually a concept where we're going to divide our entire data into 4 equal parts. Therefore, each quartile covers 25% of the data. Okay, so this thing called the 5-number summary. Okay, Q1 is referring to the first quartile. M is your median. We normally find median. See, what median does is divide your entire data into 2 halves. Okay, 50 percentile, 50 percentile. All right, Q3 is your third quartile. Minimum is referring to the smallest number in your data value. Maximum is referring to the largest number in your data value. And these 5 numbers is what we so-called the 5-number summary. So what does 5-number summary got anything to do with the plot, the box whisker plot? Is because these 5 numbers is what's indicated on the box and whisker graph. Okay, so this particular problem, your job is to figure out the 5-number summary. All right, and then you can actually drag them. You can actually drag the when you see this problem on the homework, you will begin to dragging these 5 numbers around, because the box whisker plot is already draw it for you on the homework. So let me show you how to calculate the 5-number summary real quick. Okay, so if we do it by hand, then the first thing we gotta do is find the quartiles. Okay, which we're gonna find the median. Okay, and then we're gonna take a look at how to find Q1 and Q3. So to find median, the first thing is write your number from small to the largest. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. I do have a 4. I do have a 6, 7. Oh, I got 2 4s. Ooh, see how easy to mess it up. A 9. 11. 1, 2, 13. 14 twice. 15. 17. 18, 20. All right, so the 2 is your minimum. Okay, 5-number summary. Minimum, maximum. 20 is your max. All right, so let's take the ends off real quick, okay? Let's find our median. Just work my way towards the middle. All right, median is 13. Okay, now I'm not going to write median right now on top of 13 because I need to go backwards a little bit, take off all these things I just scratched off. So just give me a minute. I'm going to go back. So now I found 13 was my median. All right, so that's Q2. Now I want you to look to the left side of my median. Okay, from the minimum to the median, we can find another median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, if I find another median between minimum to the median, then the median between minimum to the median of the first 50 percentile data is going to be 9. So that's Q1. All right, the median of the second 50 percentile, from median to the max, the median got to be 15. So that will be called Q3, because Q2 is the median. There you go. Here's your 5-number summary. Okay. Now, in the graphing calculator, we can do this fairly quickly as long as we key in these numbers. So let's go back. to Stats, Edit, highlight the L1, press Clear, Enter. So I'm going to type it in, okay? 13, 11, 2, 9, 15, 18. Oh, my calculator just froze. That's not good. Anywho, I was going to show you. I can't believe my calculator just froze. So basically, I can go ahead and describe it for you. Remember earlier in the previous video when we first did the find the median, I put in the calculator. So once you key in everything, press Stats and highlight the one variable statistic. Scroll down until you see MIN, until you see Q1, MED, Q3, and max. When you see that on your screen, those are your 5-number summary. Okay, those are the 5-number summary. And I do apologize, my calculator froze on me all of a sudden. It won't even let me X out of it. All right, so why don't I just do this one by hand? Okay, so I'm gonna write these numbers from small to large so I can find the 5-number summary again. Oh, I don't like decimals. What's my smallest number? 5.1. So I'm gonna put it right here. 5.1. So I'm gonna draw this box whisker plot here in a minute by hand. 5.2. And if I'm more 5.2, 5.2, 5.2 right there. All right, 5.3, 1. 5.3, no, 5.4. 5.6, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and the 5.7. All right, so 5.7 is my largest. That's my max. And 5.1 is my minimum. So basically, the box whisker plot, okay. All right, 5.1. I'm going to put a dot right here at 5.1. I know that's my minimum. 5.7 is my maximum. Okay. Now I'm going to find the median, okay? Let me work with me here. Let's take the ends off. Work our way towards the middle. My middle is going to be between 5.4 to 5.6, which exactly what's in halfway. It's got to be 5.5. So 5.5 is going to be my median. Oops. MED. All right. That's going to be my median. All right. Now, from the minimum to the median, the first 50th percentile, let's find the mean again. So that will be scratch, 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 scratch. All right. Well, hold on a minute. Let me see. I think the median, I think we do 5.1, 5.4. Yeah, 5.5. Scratch, scratch. So this is going to be between 5.2 to 5.3. So I believe, if I remember correctly, let me look up here real quick. Dividing that in two halves. The bottom half will be observation below. To the left, location median. The top half, observation below. All right. The first quartile is the median of the bottom half, and the third quartile is the median of the top half. Okay, that's what I did earlier. So here I got, so my first half now is actually 5.1 to 5.4. So if I find the median of that, that will actually lead me to 5.2. Okay, I didn't mean to scratch out 5.5. So this is going to be my Q1. Okay, we got to be careful because I got even number of data here. So 5.5 is going to be my median. So 5.5 to the left is the bottom half. So to the right side of 5.5, these numbers are my These numbers are my top half. But earlier, when I did this previous problem, okay, when I did this problem right here, okay, my bottom, my exactly half is at 13. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers in the bottom half and 7 number on the top half. Okay, so I scratch them off slightly different when I have even numbered. All right, so let's do this side right here. 5.6. So 5.6 is going to be my Q3. All right, so box whisker plot, the box actually starts from Q1 to Q3. The box starts at Q1 to Q3. And Q3 is 5.6. So the box will be right here. Okay, so that's Q1, and this is Q3. Q1 is 5.3. Q3 is 5.6. So where's median at? 5.5. So the median will be right here. Okay, that's my median. So on the homework, you'll be dragging everything out, okay? Dragging out to the number where it's supposed to be for the 5-number summary. Now, if I connect my minimum to the box and my maximum to the box, and here you go. This is my box whisker plots, okay? Will look something like this. The one on the homework looks a little bit prettier than the one I got here. Alrighty, so that will conclude this lecture video on the 5-number summary and box whisker plot. Thank you for watching.